Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing a DIY video showing you how I painted my laminate flooring using V33 paint. We decided to do this project because our flooring's been installed for over 10 years, and as you can see, life has happened to it. It's had a few scratches, a few marks and things, and I just wanted us to brighten and lighten up the living room space. These are the things that we used to complete this project. I will put more details in the link below. In terms of how I prepared to start this project, I literally just had to give my flooring a good wipe, give it a good hoover to get rid of any dust. I also went the extra step of just slightly sanding the flooring so that the paint has a good surface to adhere to. Once you open the paint, it does have a little instructions and this 10 milliliter additive. You need to put this into the paint before you begin, and once you've added it, the paint stays active, or it stays good, for 10 days. Bear in mind that this paint has a very strong smell, so you want to make sure that you're working in an open, airy and what I love about this paint is that you don't need to put any primers on before you put it on. You're literally good to go once you've mixed it. We live in London, so we don't have the luxury of, as much as we love it, we don't have the luxury of space. So I've had to work in small sections. So that means moving all my furniture out of one section of the room, starting that area, and then working my way around the whole living room. So I'm starting from the corners of the wall, using my paintbrush, and then going in with my paint roller. The paint roller does give you a nicer finish, and I would recommend that you work in the direction that your flooring or your floor paneling is going in. So this is what the floor looks like after one coat of paint. It's pretty good. However, you can still see some of that color coming through, so it definitely does need a second coat. Going in with a second coat is making a world of a difference. However, I still wanted a really opaque finish, so I went in with a third coat. So literally, that's the process I took, applying each coat, allowing it to dry for 3 to 4 hours, and then applying the next coat and working my way around the living room. And guys, this is the end product. Oh my god, how amazing does this look? I'm so pleased with how it's all turned out. The room looks bright, it's airy, it looks so much more spacious, and it's so inviting. It was definitely worth all the hard work and all the sweat we put into this room. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are. You know, do you have any comments? Is this a project that you're thinking to do? Any feedback, any questions? Put all that information in the comment section below. The only thing I will add is that this paint does make the floor seem a little bit slippery, and it may be because it has some satin finish to it. To overcome this, we've had to buy some rugs and made it seem a bit more cozy. All in all, it's not such a bad thing. That's the end of the video. Do like this video, give me a thumbs up to let me know if you're loving this kind of content, and of course share this video with your friends and family.